Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to do polls on TikTok videos. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, go down to the bottom center of the screen and click on the plus sign. That will of course open up your camera where you can either shoot a video or upload one from your phone. I'm just going to shoot one. And then it will bring you to the page where you can of course add any effect that you want. Go down to the bottom of the screen and click on stickers. And then here at the top of my recommended stickers, you can see it says poll. The order of your recommended may be different, so just look for poll. And then you want to ask a question. You can do that just by typing and then give the answers. You can do yes or no. When you're all set with your changes, click done, top right hand corner. And then of course you can edit this any way that you want. You can double tap of course to edit the original poll, add your filters and stuff, click next. And then you can post or save as a draft. I hope this video helped you out. In any case, thanks for watching. Watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok. Later.